something's alright. And I went on for a week. This is my coping technique. I'll be on pain with these eyes. I'd rather die before I cry. 16 peeking off acid, tripping, feeling like I'm Jimmy. Popping times to relax. If my addiction is active, there's no such thing as relapsing. Fought the world with a passion. 17, I'm smoking girl, flipping rams, selling crowns. I'm a female, told her 15, turn 18, and now I'm strung out enough. Now I'm strung out enough. I'm fucked up and I'm numbing. Love the feeling of nothing. Taking lines of y'all, I'm trying to avoid feeling something. From all my problems, I'm running. The past life I was rushing, running money and honest, but I ain't stopped by my suffering. My past self was disgusting. Do anything for some money. I have blood on my hands. God forgive me, I've sinned. My whole mind is unhinged. My morals gone in the wind. I say you lace while I grin. Virtue's dead and they tinge. 3 days deep on a binge. I'm tweaking, I don't feel shit. I feel nothing but repercussions. I'm love self-destructing. I'm out here high and I'm hustling. My life is full of dysfunction. Once the kilo I'm guzzling. Acid tabs in my bottle. These walls, nothing I'm hollow. Pray I won't see tomorrow. Tripping, drowning my sorrow. I know my time is borrowed, so 10 pills I'ma swallow. Chase it with reposado. I hope I die in my sleep. Mixing idols with drinks. Forever being a dream. Where my mama is there. I highly doubt that you care because you've never been there. Up in the depths of despair. Dying, crying, gasping for air. Dying, trying to stay alive. Feel like the Lord on your prayers. I ask God, when I die, when my mama passed. When I die, when I owe you. When I die, high as fuck. Mixing codeine and OE. So God, I wanna see heaven. I wish I could like my mama. I wish that I could hear her voice. I can't believe turn 18 and on the wind, on the wind. I say you lace while I grin. Virtue's at the next hinge. 3 days deep on a binge. I'm tweaking, I don't feel shit. I feel nothing, fuck repercussions. I love self-destruction. I'm out here high and I'm hustling. My life is full of dysfunction. Lost a kilo, I'm guzzling. Acid tabs in my bottle. These walls, nothing, I'm hot. If I'm wiping, fighting purely out of spite. Cause I thought I was allowed. Pop said it's alright. Now I'm caught up in the vines. Craft the pine to the spite. And after that, I hit a line of polo to the fight on top of that. I'm hot behind, I'm taking flight. I ain't have no shoulder there when things really tried. On September 29th, no, I lost my guiding light. Now my homies seeing signs. They wonder why I'm up all fucking night. They're like, why you never fucking cry? I couldn't say it cause of pride, but I'm an addict using cocaine to get by. And if you wonder why, since I see stocks every night, trying to get to cloud nine, trying to reach me some lights. It's now I realize it's more than life to getting high.
Bosh is in the building, folks. Let's hear one more round of applause here.
Respect your passion.
Respect your fucking passion.
All knowers.
I'm feeling nothing, so I double my doses. Pop the prescription pills, bitch. I got a few diagnoses on the way. I'm only have myself to blame. Failing else when I'm already started to my dying day. Questioning my faith, I wonder why God took your breath away. Mama, look what I became. A monster tied up in this game. My frame is forever. Fuck this framing, I don't picture it. Thinking fuck the world would be better if I wasn't in it. Grew up hella quick because my childhood lacked innocence. But ignorance is bliss, and how the fuck could I be ignorant? Grief got me grounded, keeps me in check, but it's hurting my soul. I know life is short, don't understand what all this suffering for. Self-inflicted homicide, it's nothing I ain't thought before. Now I'm forced to fill my cup full of liquor and I'll split though. Blowing up smoke, and I'll inhale till I can't no more. Trying to think positive and look at my accomplishments. Been solo for 8 months, I think I'm happy, but I bottle it. The homies think I'm great, but no, I'm bad at taking compliments. This day that I was clean, they just looked at me and astonished me. I hope that Doug is proud of me. He looks out and he looks down on me. Chip on my chest. trials and tribulations, but I gotta thank for my success. Nonetheless, I'm okay, but it's just the way that I express. Rapping about these moments, this is my form of coping. It's better than snorting coke and just ignoring all my emotions. Music show that I'm growing and loyal to my devotions. Allowing for being broken, and I'm the one who consoling the armies that lost their hope. I pray to God that I'm trying to. The path is a downward slope. I know that shit, it ain't no joke. I was lucky that I got doing drugs in the large amounts. I'm Peruvian by the house, and I'm feeding while I recount.
Bosh, everybody. Can we get one more round of applause? Bosh! Bellingham! Come on! Come on!
Hey, I got one thing to say, bro. I got something I gotta fucking say. Pills on the that shit off the wheel again. Think I need some new friends, my old ones are. Hey, I got something to say, bro. Long live Stasa, long live Doug. I wouldn't be here without these fucks right here. You feel me?
Hell yeah!
He picked up the phone at the right time, that's all I'm gonna say. Long live Stasa, long live Doug. Thank y'all for fucking coming.
Thank you, Bosh.